Hello everybody! Today you're going to be playing a new game, Multiple Madness 2. You played a version of this game way back sort of in the beginning of the year when you were starting to learn multiplication. And back then on the bottom you had factors of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to choose from. And this time you get to choose from all the factors. So here's a reminder for those of you who played it before how to play, and those of you who have come to Floodbrook after we played this game, here's how to play. So you're going to get a partner, and you're going to have two different colors, so you can go back and forth between two colors. And the first player, we'll have the first player be me in this example, is going to choose two factors at the bottom of the page. So I'm going to choose two factors that are listed down here at the bottom. And I can use the same factor if I want. So if I wanted to do something like 5 times 5, remember, factors are the numbers in a multiplication problem that we're multiplying. Or I can choose something like a 5 times 6 or something like that. So I'm going to choose the two factors of 4 and 7. So I'm going to highlight to show that those are the two factors I'm working with. Then I'm going to multiply and find the product of those two factors. So 4 times 7. And if you need to use an extra page to solve it, by using some distributed property, you can do that. If you want to use a scrap paper, that's fine as well. I know my facts, so I know 4 times 7 is 28 because I know 2 sevens is 14. So if I double that, I get 28 for my 4 times 7. So I'm going to cover 28. I have won this space. My goal is to try to get 4 of these in a row. Now my partner will go. I'm going to make my partner blue here. Well, let's make it purple. We'll make it pretty. My partner can choose to change either my 7 or my 4 factors at the bottom, but you can only change one, okay? So my partner is going to decide to change the 4 into a 3. So my partner is going to say, I'm going to move the 4 to a 3. So they end up with the fact 3 times 7. So they have one of the same factors. And they know 3 times 7 is 21. So they're going to color in this one. So if you want to use the highlighter and keep switching, I just didn't want to have to keep switching. So they've gotten that fact. Now it's my turn again. I can choose once again to move either the 7 or the 3. Okay? Oops, sorry. So I'm going to move this time. I'm going to move, let's see. I'm going to move the... I'm going to move the 7, and I want to change it to a 6. And I now have the fact 3 times 6, which I know is 18, and I chose that on purpose because I knew 3 times 6 was 18, and I wanted to be able to fill in this space here because I want to try to get 4 in a row, remember. Now my partner goes, and they can choose to move the 3 or the 6, but only the 3 or the 6. My partner is going to choose to move that 3 and make it a 5 because they know 5 times 6 is 30. And that's going to get them 2 in a row because they're looking diagonally. It's my turn now. Looking at what I've got, I want to see if I can make a fact that makes 9 or 42. And I know actually that 6 times 7 makes 42. So I'm going to move the 1 on the 5 to the 7, and that makes 42. So I've got, whoops, wrong one. 3 in a row now. Now my partner, and I blocked my partner, my poor partner. So my partner is going to have to rethink their strategy. They're going to have to move the 6 or the 7. And I think that they are going to move the 6, and they're going to make it a 5. And they know 7 times 5. Oh, they're moving it to a 5. And they know 7 times 5 is 35. So they're going to have something here. Maybe they're going to try to go diagonally. Now it's my turn as the pink person. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I can. I know, whoops, that 7 times 9 is 63. Is that right? Yep, 7 times 9 is 63. So they're going to move this. I'm going to move that over here. And I can fill in this. And I have 4 in a row. And I have 1. So what you want to do is just move one of the ones on the bottom, solve, and then fill in your product until one of you gets 4 in a row. So good luck, and